3. Today we are going to talk about Australia. Location. Australia is in the southern hemisphere because it is south of the equator. The seasons in Australia are the opposite of those in Europe. It is winter in Australia when it's summer in Europe. Australia is the 6th biggest country in the world. It is an island surrounded by water and it's the smallest continent in the world. Australia is composed by 7 territories: Western Australia, Northern Territory, Queensland, Southern Australia, New South Wales, Victoria, Tasmania, and Papua New Guinea.
History. James Cook discovered Australia in 1770. Britons sent pensioners and criminals to Australia. Europeans saw the land of Aboriginals and killed thousands of them.
Native Australian. The Aborigines have lived in Australia for over 40,000 years. Now they only represent 1% of the population. The total population of Australia is 22 million.
Cities. Most Australians live in cities and towns, making Australia one of the most urbanized countries in the world. The capital of Australia, Canberra, is one of the most beautiful and cozy cities in the country. The biggest city is Sydney, where there is famous Sydney Opera House. Other important cities, Melbourne, Brisbane, Adelaide, and Perth.
Uluru. Ayers Rock is the world's largest monolith. It is sacred for Aborigines. It is very popular with tourists because of its beautiful colors.
The flag of Australia is based on the British maritime blue ensign, a blue field with the United Kingdom flag in the canton or upper hoist quarter, augmented with a large white seven-pointed star, and a representation of the Southern Cross constellation, made up of 5 white stars, 1 small 5-pointed star, and 4 larger 7-pointed stars. They are other official flags representing Australia, its people and core functions of government.
The central bank in Australia is called the Reserve Bank of Australia. The 5 most traded currency in the world, the Australian dollar, is also referred to as buck. The Australian dollar is now a currency due to its raw material exports.
In Australia, it is usually very warm, so Australians love sport and other outdoor activities. The most popular are scuba diving, cricket, surfing, and swimming.
Australia is home to a list of different and unique variety of animals, birds, reptiles, and plants. Among Australia's best known wild animals are the kangaroo, koala, hyena, dingo, platypus, and wildebeest.
The Australian coat of arms consists of a shield, containing the badges of the 6 Australian states symbolising federation, and the national symbols of the golden wattle, the kangaroo, and the emu. By popular tradition, the kangaroo is accepted as the national animal emblem.
Okay, thank you so much for introducing Australia. See
Всё
you
нормально.
later.